As a visual thinker, it's important to have familiar icons in mind that you can use anytime or anywhere that you'd like. With just a few lines, these icons codify your notes, maps, diagrams, and convey additional meaning for yourself and others. This is also a really fun part of visual thinking, not only for yourself, but for those that you share it with. We love to watch other people create visuals and drawings from out of their head. But drawings not only bring smiles, but sparks of creative thinking to your conversations. Most skills, even visual ones, start by copying or tracing what other people have done to begin with. So I'm going to show you the first 15 icons that you can copy and make your own. Once you learn an icon, repeat it to where you remember it and can use it anytime you want, that icon becomes yours. Later, as you grow in skill and are more familiar with the work, you can create your own, either from references or your own imagination. So let's draw the first 15 icons to be used in your work. I'll give them each to you step by step, and you can draw along. On a new page, write this list of words down on the left-hand side. As you write them, notice what pops into your mind. Your brain is already thinking visually. Go ahead and pause if you need to catch the rest of the list. Here we go. The North Star is the purpose behind your company or a big project. We're going to start with a circle, and then inside that, we're going to draw a four-sided star, like a compass rose, by drawing quarter circles from top to the left, down to the bottom, up to the right, and then back to the top. Now that we've drawn our first icon, we need to draw it a few more times. Repetition is how we ingrain these icons in our minds and take ownership of them. So we're going to do 15 of these. 5 times slow to get the arrangement, 5 times faster to find an order you want to draw the shape in, and 5 times to see how fast you can draw it. Don't worry if it's messy. Go ahead and pause while you do this. For goal, we're going to draw that mountain we drew in the previous video. Start with the top of a triangle, then draw an M near the top. Draw this 15 more times. 5 slow, 5 faster, 5 as fast as you can. For milestone, we're going to draw a flag. Start with a straight vertical line and draw a triangle off to the right or left. Draw this 15 times. 5 slow, 5 faster, 5 as fast as you can. For the word deadline, we're going to draw a square. Draw a line near the top, and then 2 partial circles to look like a daily calendar page. Draw this 15 times. For time, let's draw a clock. Starting with a circle, we'll add a dashed line at the top, bottom, left, and right. Lastly, we'll add a V with one short side and the point in the center. Draw this 15 times. For product, let's draw a box. We will start with a rhombus or horizontal diamond like this. Draw 3 lines straight down and then connect them at the bottom. Draw the box opening at the top and a line for a label at the side. Draw this 15 times. For process, let's draw 3 small squares in a triangle pattern and then draw arrows from one to another in a circular flow to show movement from one step to the next, Do 15 more. For place, let's draw a map marker, which is teardrop shaped. Starting from the bottom, angle up and to the left, circling around at the top and coming back down. Draw a circle in the center of that top. Repeat it 15 times. For deliver, let's draw a delivery truck. Start with a square, then a second smaller square to the right. Draw 3 small circles on the bottom lines. Lastly, let's add a dash for a windshield and 3 lines off the back to show speed. Do this 15 times. For problem, draw a triangle and then an X. For problem, draw a triangle and an exclamation point inside. Draw this 15 times. For person, we're going to go real simple. Draw an upside down U and then draw a circle above it. Draw 15 of these. For a group, draw 3 upside down U's and then draw 3 circles above it, 1 above each U. Draw this 15 times. For business, we will draw a building. Start with a ground line. Draw 3 sides of a tall rectangle. Draw a door at the bottom. Now draw 3 horizontal lines evenly spaced and 2 vertical lines to make windows. Give me 15 more business icons. For an idea, we'll draw a light bulb. Draw a small U. Then draw a circle that starts at one part of the U and ends at the other. Draw 3 diagonal lines on the U and some loops up into the circle. Add 3 dashes to one side to represent the shine. Try this 15 more times. And for document, I'm going to mix it up slightly. Draw a rectangle with some curve to it. And before completing the rectangle at the top right, draw a notch like this. Draw a diagonal line to connect those. Lastly, draw a few horizontal lines inside the paper to represent writing. Try this 15 more times. Congratulations, you now have 15 icons in your mind to represent these 15 ideas. This is the start of the visual lexicon that you'll be building in your mind for the rest of your life as you implement visual thinking in your work. In the next video, I will show you how to continue building your visual lexicon organically and intentionally as you need it in your work.